billing. So let's do one thing. Let's try to repeat the same steps for billing document. If really wanted to configure, let's try to do one thing. First, we'll try to go for OPD again. Okay. So it will try to open in the similar way you can able to do it. Let's try to check billing document. If any chances are there, let's go to the output type. Okay. So this is the billing document someone has already configured. Uh, let's try to go to edit. Okay. So if you would like to, control for single billing document that you can able to do it. I don't want to do it. This is the configuration. Okay. So that, it will work. Let's go for receiver. Okay. Role RE. Okay. Let's put it and let's go for channel. So this is the printout, all good. So let's do the printer settings. Okay. So this is the same billing document LP01. Okay. If you would like to restrict for certain sales organization that you can able to do it. Okay. So email settings, we don't want it, and go for form template. Okay. So this, let's try to check if it is configured for DE, then it is fine. If it is not configured, so then go for edit in the similar way. Let's try to add one more entry, and this is direct input value. So billing underscore document. It's okay. Either type or you can able to make a selection. Here country is all about direct input value. Let's try to put it for DE. Okay, all good. So tax departure, tax receiving country, I don't want to control any other value like this. So here billing type, maybe I can put it this one as F2. Okay, our billing value. So no billing date. The form template is again important. So let's go for this. So SDPIL star, let's put it. Press enter. Okay. So we can able to find the values here. So let's take the standard invoice form for D. So I think this is sufficient. Okay. Let's try to don't make any language selection. We can able to choose manually. I think, let me double check. Okay. So let's check. And some issues will be there. 80, it's not for our form. Let's activate it. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's try to select and delete. Okay. So let's try to activate it. So now go for new entry. Let's put it based on document category otherwise. So invoice is M, so that default it will work. Okay. Billing type. Let's try to control with hours. Maybe F2. Okay. Let's try to click on this. Okay. Let's have a selection. Just say okay here, and let's try to move further. what we can able to control. Okay, let's try to take the form template. It is very, very important. Let's take this. Okay, filter, choose this. Let's check this, how extent we can able to see the billing also. I think these are more than enough. As of now, we can able to choose other additional parameters also. Let's check it's consistent and activate it. Okay, okay. So it doesn't have any transport request, it seems to be. Okay, let's try to do one thing. So let's go back and try to create. So to check some settings here. So let's go to the cross applications again. Within that, let's try to go for output control. Define. Okay. I do one thing. What is the request it is looking for? We required one transport. Why? Because initially we'll do that. Okay, it is consistent. For activation, it is asking no task assigned. Sends with the 3336. So let's try to go to the edit now. New entries. Output type is the billing document. Say okay. So let's put it sender country as D. Okay. So now let's try to check any other things. So let's take the document category. M for all invoices, all document types. So this is important. This SD will let's check. This is standard one. Let's try to choose this. Okay, no problem. Let's check. and activate. Now go to the last step. Go to edit, copy this and paste. Here document category M. Okay, let's check and activate. So now let's try to create a bill now. Okay. I'm just taking invoice. Then let's take a couple of items. Okay, stock is not available, no issue. Save this. This is 7514, right? We have to perform the MIGO. Let's check the stock. Okay. Go to MMPV. Group 4. Press enter. Execute. So 01 5. Okay. Now it's ready for stock posting. You might not get these errors if the stock is available. Check. Oh, this material itself, it has this hue. Okay. Now let's go to try something else. Check. Such stock is not available. Version SC69. Mardi DR D1. Let's give sale. So this material is having the stock. It's all good. So for other scenarios, we made some changes. Let's go for edit. Okay, it is looking for something else. Let me try to check. Problems. 1 second. Let's go for edit. Shipping. Here, let's say. Okay, let's maintain some price. So now all good. It's copied because for various scenarios, it is always necessary to make some changes. Okay. Now let's go for billing. Let's go to the header and let's check the output. Okay, now everything is populated here. This form seems to be good. Okay, let's try to assign the form actually. Form not populated, other values populated. Let's see the context. Some form, it is corrected by someone, no issues. Like some ABAP is also working. Okay, you can able to see this. This is the values and this is the total. We got it. This is how new output determination works. Okay, similar way you can able to do for your billing also. And okay, so like this is the a brief about new output determination form technology. So Adobe Forms always. Okay, so like he has given which system like cloud on premises, how it works. Probably you can able to read it. Okay, so what are the limitations for this? Okay, so it is not completely meant for to replace the NAST actually, so that classical output determination also we can able to see that I will show you in next session. It will only covers, okay, print and email. As I said that partially EDA, because ALE it is not going to cover, and a special function and task it is not going to cover. A lot of issues will be there. Okay, this is the limitation. Uh, the rest like system integration, workflow, special function, as I mentioned that. So business application need to cover these parts definitely. You cannot able to achieve all these functions completely. That's what it is meaning. Okay. So what I would like to say is, if it is greenfield implementation, you can able to use it. Otherwise, if it is fresh implementation, it is utter time waste using new output determination. Okay. After explaining this much, I'm just trying to tell you. Okay. So like actually it is not required to explain, but still, if you really wanted to know how it works out of your interest, that's why I'm explaining this. So otherwise, in real time, there is no point to implement actually. So that's it. Thanks for the joining the session. As I said that, okay, if you really want it, you can always welcome to subscribe my S4 HANA new course. Okay, so it's in the last phase. And for further learning, so you can able to learn condition contracts also here. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining with me. Thanks for your patience. So a lot of issues was happened. It's okay. That's fine. So I'm closing this session. Thanks so much. Have a great day.